Okay, the solution. Okay, so first read the problems. So sum of the percentages of Shailaja and Payal. So what are the person? Two persons. So first to write, you have to write the given data. Okay, so for that we have to make a tabular column. Okay, so this is that. So what is that Shailaja and Payal? So here I'll write Shailaja, okay, and Payal. So there are two person. Okay, so you have to make that tabular column. So from the given data, what are the things they given? So if Shailaja is younger and the difference of their ages 3 years ago. So first one, from the given first statement, what data you can get? Sum of the percentages of Shailaja. So I will take Shailaja age will be X years and Payal age. Sum of the percentages of Shailaja and Payal is 29 years. So that means if Shailaja is X years old, then Payal means 29x, 29 minus X. If you add this one, X minus what is called X minus 20, what's called, if you add that one, X plus 20 minus X. So sum of the ages means 29 years. Am I right? So that means one is Shailaja is X years old means Payal is 29 minus X years old. So that only if we add that means if we sum that, we will get 29. Okay. Okay. So next to one. So here that Shailaja Payal, Shailaja present age. So this is called present age. So X and 29 is 29 minus X. So I will write here. So this is called present age. Okay. So I'll make one more tabular column so that you can understand. Okay. Okay, so here I will write. So this is that. So present age. So I will write. So this is called present age. Okay, present age of Shailaja and Payal. So if Shailaja is younger and the difference of their ages 3 years ago. So 3 years ago means, so 3 years ago their ages, 3 years ago their ages means, so we can write 3 years ago X minus 3. So 29 minus X. So minus 3. This is called 3 years ago. So 3 years ago their difference of their ages. So difference of their ages will be 5 years. Okay. So 3 years ago. Okay. So 3 years ago the difference of their ages will be 5 years. So first you have to write. So here, so 3 years ago, what are the ages? So first I will write. So here I will draw this one. Okay. So this one, and here it is. Okay. So here minus, which is equal to this one. So this is called, what is that? Shailaja. Okay. What's called Shailaja, and what is next name? Payal. Okay. So given the statement, from the given statement, 3 years ago their difference of their ages. So what are the difference of their ages? Payal. So already they said if Shailaja is younger. So Shailaja is younger, that means we have to write. Okay. So if Shailaja is younger means, so younger we have to write second. So the what's called elder we have to write it first. That means, so this is called Payal and this is called Shailaja. Okay. Shailaja. So Payal age will be 29 minus X minus 3. So this is called subtraction, minus. So Shailaja, what's the ages? X minus 3. So when you subtract from Payal to Shailaja, that means the difference of their ages 3 years ago will be 5 years old. That means this is the equation. Okay. So first we have to solve this one. So Payal age minus Shailaja, which should be equal to 5 years. So 29 minus X. So minus 3. Okay. So this bracket. Okay. So X minus 3. See students, if they write this kind of X minus 3, how sir we have to write means, simply we have to close the bracket. So X minus 3 we have to write same way. Okay. So don't get confusion. Okay. So here I'll write the 29 minus X minus 3 minus x minus 3 which is equal to 5. So if the minus in front of that bracket, so we have to multiple. If the minus is at the back side means, so we can just cancel that bracket and we have to take that minus. Okay, so here we just 29, here minus 3, so 29 minus 3, so what's the value? 29 minus 3, so 26 minus x. Now we have to multiply this value, minus into x minus x, and minus into minus plus 3, which is equal to 5. Okay, so what we are getting, so just add that number constant and add that expression. So 26 plus 3, 29 minus, so minus x, 29 minus 2x, which is equal to 5 years. Okay, so this is the given equation. Now take that constant one side, variable null one side. So just to keep that 5, you have to take this side, and minus 2x you have to take that side. So 29 minus 5, which is equal to minus 2x, that side go means 2x. So 29 minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. 29 minus 5, 24. So 24 equal to 2x. That means what will be the x? So 24 divided by 2. The 2 will go that side. So 24 divided by 2. So here 1 2s are 2, 12 2s are 24. That means x equal to 12 years old. So this is that value we are getting. So x equal to 12 years old means what will be the Shailaja years? So for Shailaja age, present age, Shailaja present age. So percentage what they given? X years old. So that means 12. Okay. Next one Payal. So Payal present age. So Payal present age is 29 minus x. So that means 29 minus 12. So which is equal to here 17. Okay. Okay. So this is the present age, current age. Now what they asked, find their ages 2 years from now. So 2 years from now means we have to add that number. Okay, so after 2 years their ages will be, so after 2 years, so after 2 years their ages will be, so we have to add 12 plus 2. So for what's called Shailaja, so Shailaja will be 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14 years old. And next one for Payal present age, Payal equal to 17 years. Okay. Okay. So this is the answer, students. 14 comma 17 years. Sorry, 14 comma 9. 17 plus 2, what's that value? 17 plus 2 we have to add, so 19. So 14 comma 19 years old. Okay, so find their ages in terms of what's called what they given. So their ages 2 years from now, Shailaja and Payal. So that means Shailaja is younger. So Shailaja means younger means, so Shailaja is younger and Payal is, Shailaja is younger than Payal. So that means 19 years. Okay, can you understand? So from the given data, what are the things you can make that possible? See students, this is a simple mathematics only, so don't get confusion. You have to know how to get the data. So when you are get the data, that means when you analyze the data, so easily you can solve. So what is the main thing is, from the given question you have to pick out the data. What are the given data indirectly? So that indirect data you have to find out. That is the first thing in aptitude. Okay, and then you have to make that given equation, and then you have to solve it, and you will get that answer. Okay, so the next question is, well, moving to that next question. Okay, so here third question. So what will be the third question? Okay, so what will be the third question? Okay, so third question is, Karthik is younger than Sam. So third question I will write, sorry. So third question, Karthik. So here we'll write Karthik. So Karthik, the spelling will be given. So Karthik is, Okay, so Karthik is younger than Som. Karthik is younger than Som by 12 years. By 12 years. Karthik is younger than Som by 12 years. If 6 years, if 6 years ago, ratio of their ages, if 6 years ago, ratio of their ages will be ratio ages was 3:5. 3:5. Find the ratio of their ages. So find the ratio of their ages. Find the ratio of their ages after 6 years. Find the ratio of their ages after 6 years from now. Okay, so from now. So this is the given question. Okay, so first one, you have to identify which other persons are there. So first one, you have to make a tabular column. So you have to get the data. So what are the two person name? Karthik and Som. Okay, so first you have to write that Karthik and Som. Okay, so first one, so here I will write, so Karthik and what is that, Som. Okay, so Karthik is younger, remember that the given keyword, Karthik is younger than Som, that means Som is elder by 12 years. Karthik is younger than Som by 12 years. Okay, so that means if we take what's called Som age will be 24 age means. Okay, Som age will be 24 age means what will be the Karthik age? Karthik is younger than 12 years, that means 24 minus 12 years. Same way, so I will take that Som age will be X years. So Som age will be X years means what will be the Karthik age? So minus 12, so X minus 12. Okay, so this is that present age of Karthik and Som. Okay, the next one, so you have to know if 6 years ago the ratio of their ages. 6 years ago, what will be their ages? 6 years ago means, so you have to write 6 years ago their ages. 6 years ago means, so X minus 12 minus 6. You have to put minus 6. Same way here, minus 6. X minus 6. Okay. If 6 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 3:5. 6 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 3:5. So that means, okay, so 6 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 3:5. So ratio of their ages. So that means, so see here, 6 years ago Karthik. So Karthik is to Som. So Karthik is to Som. Before 6 years, their ages will be in the ratio of 3:5. Okay. So 6 years ago. So this age will be 6 years ago. And this age will be 6 years ago. Okay. 6 years ago. So okay, Karthik on the 6 years ago. So that means what will be that age? So Karthik 6 years ago means, so X minus 12 minus 6. So that means what is that answer? X minus 18. So minus 12 minus 6, X minus 18. So here what is that age? X minus 6. So which will be equal to 3:5. Okay. So just to make that in terms of ratio, X minus 18 divided by X minus 6, which is equal to 3:5. So 3 divided by 5. So just make a cross multiplication. Okay. So 5 into X minus 18 will be equal to 3 into x minus 6. So 5x minus 54, sorry, 90, okay. 18 into 5, 90. 90. So 3x minus 18. So take that value. So 3 minus 3x will take this side and minus 90 will take this side. So 5x minus 3x, which will be equal to minus 18 plus 90, because minus 90 will go that side, means what will come? So plus 90. So 5x minus 3x, 2x equal to, so what's called, if you subtract this one, plus 90 minus 18 means you have to subtract. So 90 minus 18, what will be that value? So 72. So that means x will be 72 divided by 2. So that means 36. So x equal to 36 years old. Okay. So x equal to 36 years old. So if x equal to 36 years old means, so find their ratio of their ages. Find the ratio of their ages after 6 years. So after 6 years. So after 6 years means, so present age you have to find first. So present age of what's called Karthik. So present age of Karthik and Som. So Karthik and Som. Percentage of Karthik means, so Karthik age, present age x minus 12. So that means 36 minus 12. So Som equal to x. So x means 36. So 36 minus 12, 24. So 24 here, 36 here. Okay. This is the present age. So 6 years after. So 6 years after means, so you have to add that 6. So 6 years after this value. So 24 plus 6. So 24 plus 6. 36 plus 6. So what is that value? 30 is to what's called 42. So 30 is to 42 means ratio 5 6 are 30 and 7 6 are 42. So 5 is to 7. The ratio will be 5 is to 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, students, in the remaining problems, you just try it. Okay. So if you have a doubt means I will solve in the next session. So it's just try to solve.